Are you truly confident that your Newton crypto account is secured against unauthorized access? If you're using Newton, you've already made a smart choice for a trusted Canadian exchange, but even the most secure platform relies on you to lock down your personal settings. Based on my own experience, simply setting a password isn't enough. Here are the crucial steps and best practices I recommend to maximize your account protection. Mandatory multi-factor authentication, MFA. This is non-negotiable, and Newton makes it mandatory for a reason. MFA is the single most effective barrier against password theft. When I first set up my account, I was presented with two primary options. Authenticator app. This is what most people, including myself, use. I personally use Google Authenticator, but Authy and Microsoft Authenticator are also great. It generates a time-sensitive, rotating 6-digit code. To set this up, you'll go to the security settings, select the Authenticator app option, scan the QR code with your app, and then input the verification code. Remember to store the backup key in a very safe, offline location in case you lose your phone. Security key, YubiKey. This is arguably the most secure method. It's a physical device you plug in or tap to log in. It's phishing resistant because it physically won't work on a fake website. If security is your absolute priority, a physical key is worth the investment. Enable biometric login for convenience and speed. Once you have MFA set up, for a more seamless experience on a trusted device, turn on biometric login, Face ID, or fingerprint ID. This doesn't replace your MFA, but it serves as a strong, convenient alternative on your phone or computer. I found that it drastically sped up my day-to-day login process without sacrificing security. Set up your anti-phishing code. Phishing emails are a huge risk in crypto. Scammers create emails that look exactly like they come from Newton, hoping you'll click a link and enter your credentials. Newton provides a simple, yet highly effective countermeasure, the anti-phishing code. Go to your security settings and create a unique code, something you'll remember, but others won't guess. Once enabled, every legitimate email you receive from Newton will contain this code. If you get an email that's missing your code, you know instantly it's a scam and you should delete it without clicking anything. Review and manage trusted devices. I make it a habit to periodically check my list of trusted devices. Every time you log in from a new device, it's added to this list. If you lose a phone, sell an old laptop, or see an unrecognized device, you need to go to your security settings and remove it immediately. This logs the device out and ensures it can't be used again without passing the full MFA process. Final password and email tips. Finally, don't overlook the basics. Strong, unique password. Use a password manager to create a long, random password that you haven't used anywhere else. Dedicated email. Consider using an email address that you only use for financial services like Newton. This reduces your exposure if your public-facing email gets caught in a data breach. By implementing these few settings, strong MFA, an anti-phishing code, and regular device reviews, you elevate your account security to a best-in-class level. You've done your part by choosing a regulated exchange. Now, it's time to do your part to protect your crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.